Hello friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel Express Naukri. Please subscribe our channel and keep watching, keep supporting us, and request you to hit the bell icon for latest updates. Vaswani Industries Limited is a part of Vaswani Group of companies as engaged in integrated business of manufacturing sponge iron, steel billets and ingots and power generation. The company has manufacturing facilities in an industrial area at Sondra village, 14 km from Raipur railway station. Vaswani Industries having multiple job vacancies, so let's discuss it. 1. Position as Senior Shift in Charge in Process Department. Qualification required BE or Diploma in Metallurgy. Experience required 8 to 10 years. 2nd. Position as Shift in Charge in RMP Department. Qualification required B.Sc or Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 5 to 7 years. 3rd. Position as RMP Operator. Qualification required 10th pass out or ITI. Experience required 2 to 4 years. 4th. Position as Senior Electrician in Power Plant Department. Qualification required ITI. Experience required 6 to 8 years. 5th. Position as Shift in Charge in Power Plant Department. Qualification required Diploma or BE in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 8 to 10 years. 6th. Position as DCS Engineer in Turbine Generator Department. Qualification required Diploma or BE in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 5 to 7 years. Friends, request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri. 7th. Position as Executive Assistant to Director. Qualification required MBA with computer proficiency. Experience required 5 to 6 years. 8th. Position as Purchase Officer. Qualification required any graduate with SAP. Experience required 4 to 6 years. 9th. Position as Data Management Executive. Qualification required Advanced Excel or Java or .NET. Experience required 3 to 5 years. 10th. Position as Security Officer. Qualification required graduate. Experience required 10 years. 11th. Position as Security Supervisor. Qualification required graduate. Experience required 5 to 7 years. Friends, request you to share your latest resume on given email address and call on given mobile number if you need any further information. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Please keep watching, keep supporting us. If you like this video, request you to like and share this video. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe the channel Express Naukri. Thank you and all the best.